The idea of taking over a project from somebody else, it's kind of crazy. But the availability of project car Ferraris, well, they just don't exist. Step 1. Figure out what's missing. Now, the fella I got this car off, he found most of the missing interior pieces. The rest is up to me. Bought it from a friend who's a mechanic friend who I trust, and he told me it's pretty much all here. So far he's been accurate. It is pretty much all here. Now, I think I overpaid for the car, and the guy I got it off of, he thinks he undersold it. I guess that probably means we arrived at just the right number. It's all there.
It needs straightening up.
It needs straightening up, according to Terry. Yeah, that definitely needs work. There's no doubt about that. But I didn't buy it thinking it didn't need work. It's got an Anza exhaust on it, eh? What's that?
Somebody spray foamed up here.
Where? The people from Spray Foam should definitely be adding this to their list of uses. There's going to be good and there's going to be bad. I mean, solid-wise, the thing's solid.
Overall, it's not bad. It's just going to need some cleaning up.
That cable is off. That should go over there. That cable's definitely... Oh, it's the pivot that's... Is it the pivot that's seized?
No. No, pivot works.
Okay.
Okay, well, first things first, you have to get all the fluids out of it. Valve covers off.
Timing belts and seals.
Replace all these hoses, these hose tabs, incorrect hoses.
This has got 4 Webers on it. Is that 45 cents or something? Gas tank's definitely got to come out of it. I'm not going to sugarcoat this. This is a mechanic's car. What does that mean? That means if I had to pay me to fix this car, it wouldn't be worth it. It just needs too much work. The immediate task for me right now is to categorize and document everything I've got. I got boxes and boxes of parts, as you can see, and they all have a home, and I got to figure out where everything goes. Well, you met Terry earlier, but here he is again. Now, Terry's our shop foreman, and he's got lots of European car experience. He's handled these multiple times. We ultimately decided to remove the motor and do an out-of-car service as opposed to trying to do everything in the car, because the gas tank's got to come out. We want to clean everything up while we're there.
So not bad, is it? That's a really good part.
What's that, dude?
Not a lot of leaks.
No.
Not a lot of leaks. It's this one here. This small bit.
Coils up there. Those don't look like... Those aren't stock coils.
That's not stock coils. MSD blasters. Yeah.
Does it have an electronic ignition in it, maybe?
No.
A converted? Why, yes, that is a spark plug plugging a hose. No?
No, I can't tell.
No. It looks like it's got the stock distributor in it.
Stock.
Basically, I bought this car sight unseen. But I don't have buyer's remorse yet.